Well, hello there everyone, and welcome to my kitchen. I'm Christy, and I'm so glad that you stopped by today because I have made a delicious roasted cauliflower Parmesan. Now this is a low carb recipe, so if you're watching those carbs, this one is a great one for you. It is so yummy. You will love it. So let me show you just how I made it because it's that time to get cooking. So of course you need a head of cauliflower, and I am just going to remove the stem. Just like that. It'll pop off. And just remove these leaves. All right, so then I just gave the cauliflower a rinse, and I'm just going to pat it dry with a paper towel. Now I'm going to cut it into a large steak. All right, so I'm actually going to roast 3 of these larger cauliflower steaks. All right, so then I'm just going to save the rest of this cauliflower and keep it in my refrigerator. I'm sure I'll find something for it, whether it's just dipping it in dip or chopping it up, putting it in a salad. And I've got a wasp in my kitchen. Lovely. All right, so now I'm just going to drizzle some olive oil over top of the cauliflower. And I'm going to sprinkle a little of this Italian dressing seasoning mix. Now you can get the packet of the pre-made, but this is my homemade version, and I will leave you the recipe in the description box below, but I'm just sprinkling a little bit of this over the cauliflower. All right, then I'm going to bake it in a 425-degree oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. So I just pulled the cauliflower out of the oven, and I'm actually going to flip them over. And then I'm going to just take some pizza sauce. You can also use marinara sauce and just spread over top of each cauliflower steak. All right, then what I have here is some provolone cheese. And I'm just going to place a piece onto each. And I'm also going to add a little bit of grated Parmesan cheese over top. And then back in the oven for about 10 to 12 minutes. All right, so the roasted cauliflower Parmesan is all done, and oh my goodness, I cannot wait to take a bite. You guys have got to come check this out. Holy cow, that's good. It is cheesy, full of flavor, and you can also use fresh mozzarella on top instead of the provolone. I just happen to have provolone, so I wanted to use it. Well, thanks so much for watching. I hope that you have a wonderful day. God bless, and as always, I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.